Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this 4th of July ombre and nail stamp design. So all the colors I'm using are by Sinful Colors. I'm using this pretty blue called Most Sinful, this red called Go Go Girl, and white, which is my favorite, white called Snow Me White. I just love it. This is my go-to white polish. Now, I just ripped off pieces of a clean makeup sponge, and I'm going to apply the red and the blue onto my white polish. I already painted my nails white. Now, this is a quick and easy way to do an ombre because you can put the colors exactly where you want it to be. You can use as many colors as you want. It is really fun, and you can go, like I said, crazy with the colors. I wanted the colors to be, of course, like blue, red, and white, but I try not to blend the blue and red to create the purple. That was just a little faux pas I did, but I did love the look of it. Now using my geometry, I hope I said that right, plate by Born Pretty, I'm going to apply black polish onto this stars stamp design. It was perfect for, like I said, 4th of July is a perfect design. I'm going to apply it onto my nails, the black first, and then I'm going to apply holo. I just thought the holo just looked really pretty on top of it. Of course, when you add holo onto black, it just brings it out even more, and it's perfect for 4th of July, sparklers and firecrackers and stuff. So it's a perfect design. I hope I made this really easy and simple for you guys to recreate. Once I was done applying the stamp, I'm going to remove the liquid latex, clean around my nails, and apply a quick dry top coat. Like I said, this is a fun ombre that you don't necessarily have to do with red, white, and blue. You can do it any colors, and it comes out so pretty. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.